As earlier we discussed about, if you want to change the user related information, then we need to change the check the configuration file. So here we first of all we'll check the configuration file, and after that we'll discuss what are the ways are available to change the user related information and which command we need to use. Okay. So to check that, first of all here I will use tell command -n1 because I want to check only last line of user /etc/passwd. See, we got that information. Our last user is a Swapnil. Okay, and these are the certain fields are available. Let's do that. Let's check that. The first field is one. First field is user name. Okay, this field we cannot able to change. Once the user is created, by default, this user information will be stored. We cannot able to change that field. Okay. Second field is password mask. This X indicates the current user have password. Okay, so that term called as a password mask. Here also we cannot able to change that. Now the third thing is user ID. User ID. See, every user when we create at that time it get a unique ID. That term called as a user ID. Okay, when we create any user will get user ID and this will be changeable. Okay, so you can change the first two parts, username and password. We cannot able to change that, but third one is a user ID. If you want to change, then you can change. Okay. After that, the fourth option is group ID. Whenever we create the group, at that time, unique identification number will be given. Okay, and that group is also you can able to change. Can change it. We'll discuss how we'll change that. Okay. And we all know that when we create the user at that time, a group is also created and that user is associated with that group. That means simply when we create the user, there is a group and that user is associated with that particular group. Okay. And in future, we will discuss what is the role of group, what is the role of user. In the permission chapter, you will get the brief idea. Okay. So now just make a note of that. Can I able to change the user ID? Can I able to change the group ID? The answer is yes. Fifth number is this section. In that 3 commas are there. In that we get 3 commas and that term called as a comment name. Okay, or we can also say that display name. Okay, display name. For example, in above example, we have Swapnil as a username and display name as a 3 commas. That means username जो है वही आपका display name रहेगा. Okay, when we log into the system at that time, we get the information about the Swapnil. Okay, comment name is simply we can say that a display name on login shell. Okay, so login shell पे display name होता है. We'll discuss. We will do that practical. So according to that, you will get the information about that. So third, last one is a comment name or display name. So this one is also we can change. The sixth section is this. The sixth section is directory name. Okay. So we all know that when we create the user at the time, by default home directory will be created. So next section is home directory. Next section is a home directory. And the last section is login shell. And these are also changeable. Okay. So these are 7 sections of user command. Among that, first 2 we cannot able to change, but last 5 we can able to change. That means if any system administrator or any admin person wants to change the user ID, wants to change the group ID, wants to change the comment name, if wants to change the home directory and login shell, then he or she can able to change that. But username and password mask will not be changing. Okay, make a note of that. Okay. So for that, which command we need to use to execute or to perform this task? So here we get the operation option. called as a user mod. User mod command indicates user modification. User modification. So if you want to change the user related information, then we have only one command. By using that, we can able to change the user related information. And we already discussed about the 7 sections, and let's do that. First, before that, just check what is the manual information about user mod command. We'll check that, and after that we'll start. See, this is the system management command. Okay, it is used to modify the user account. Make a note of that. This information is applicable for user only. If you want to change or if you want to modify the user related information, then and then we can able to use that. Okay, so let's do that. Before doing the practical, we'll discuss about that. See, now I cannot able to change the name. I cannot able to change the password map. Next, we have only one option. We can able to change the user ID. Okay, so what is the user ID? Let's do that. Okay, so in that user ID, see, by default user are started from 1 to 999. User started from 1 to 999. These are system defined users. Are system, or we can say that reserved user. Okay. After 1000, these are the system defined user. Say that user defined. Okay. जो हम खुद define कर सकते हैं. Okay. So in that these are the user ID. Okay. When we create any user, for example, I want to create a line user. So when we create that, we get what we get when we create that user. When we create user, then in that, first of all, it will get user ID. That means it is we will get unique user ID. After that, we get group ID also. We get group ID. Get command name as a default. After that, we get directory. Which directory? Home directory. When we create that user, at that time we get shell. Okay, login shell. That means we have a permission to log in into the system. Okay, so there are two options in login shell. Okay, so in that, first one is a bin bash. Discuss about that. And second one is has been no login. That we have two options. अगर आपके यूजर के आगे we get that information bin bash, that means any user can log in into the system. अगर यूजर के a particular user can log in into the system, अगर bin bash दिखाई देता है तो, और अगर यूजर के आगे has been no login दिखता है, that means you cannot able to log in into the system. Okay, so these are the information when user is created. Now we'll discuss about that how to change the user ID. Okay, first of all, we will check that in option or in Linux operating system, what we get the user ID. Okay, last में हमें user ID क्या मिला है? Let's check out about last one user only. Last one user n1/edc/passwd. Just let me know what is the user ID of Swapnil.
1002.
Yeah. So the first section is username, second one is a password section, and third one is a user ID. So let's check out last two lines of user, and you can specify what is the user ID. Let me know last user ID. SYCS is there. What is the user ID?
1001.
What about group ID?
1001.
Yeah, great. So thus this third number part is user ID and this fourth number part is also group ID. After that, what is the comment done? Comment name of SYCSC? It is an empty. These are comma. It indicates that it's empty, or we can say that it is a default. Okay. What is the home directory of SYCSC? आपके सामने ही है।
bin bash slash bin slash bash.
Home directory means where that user can work. Okay, so this one is a home directory slash home slash sycsc. This one is a home directory of sycsc. And this bin bash indicates it's a login shell. Okay, this indicates sycsc can able to log in into the system. Okay, so here instead of tell command, I want to use header command. Just I want to check only one login root. Yeah. See this daemon user. Check out about the daemon user. What is the user ID?
1
What about group ID?
1
What about command name? See, instead of comma, we get some name. Here after group ID, we get the comma. That means by default name will be treated. Now, but here we don't have a comma. That means daemon is your command name. Is it
command.
okay? Yeah. Command name, not command. What is a home directory? Slash user slash what it indicates has been no login. That means can daemon user able to log in into the system? The answer is no. So this is the upper theoretical part. Now let's do that by using a practical. So let's do that. Tell hyphen n1 slash etc slash passwd. See, in that we have user ID as 1002 and now we need to change by using the command. Okay, here we'll use 1010 as a user ID. Now I want to use 1010 as a user ID. See, you can use user ID above 1000 to 5000. उसके अंदर आप कुछ भी use कर सकते हैं. Okay, so let's do that. User mod. So here we need to use sudo privilege. After that, user mod. First of all, I will write syntax. After that, here I use hyphen u for username, and here I will use 1010 1010 for which user? The name of user is Swapnil. दिस इज द कमांड. अगर हम इसे एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं तो करंट यूजर का यूजर आईडी जो है वी हैव 1002 will be changeable to the 1010. So let's do that. Sudo user mod. Here I am using 1010 for Swapnil. Let's do that. Done. Here I'll ask for the password. Here I will enter the password. Done. We have successfully changed the user ID. Now, if you want to check whether the user ID is a change, then again we need to use sudo tell hyphen n1 slash etc slash passwd. See, earlier it was 1002, now it is a 1010. What does it mean? Change हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है?
Change हुआ है.
Yeah. So how will change that? See, sudo. After that, user modification hyphen u indicates username. This one is your username and this one is your username. Okay, this one is user ID and this one is your username. Let's do that one more time. Instead of that, I want to use 4 times 1. We change user ID of sycsc to 4 times 1. Before that, we'll check about that sycsc command. What is the current user ID? In the sycsc, we have user ID as 1001. Now we need to change as 4 times 1. Let's do that. Sudo user mod So user mod, and after that hyphen u, after that 4 times 1, and the name of user is SYCS. Yeah, done. Change. Now again we'll check the last two. See, SYCSC user ID is changed. Okay. So does anyone have query regarding the user ID?
सर ते X काय असतं?
Indicates password mask. Okay, that means your system or your user having password mask. Okay, password है उसको, इसके लिए उसे indicate करने के लिए रखता है. So whenever by default any user created in the Linux, by default there will be a password. So इसीलिए ये कभी भी X ही रहता है. अगर X नहीं रहता है, इसकी जगह empty रहता है, तो उसको password नहीं है, ऐसा treat किया जाता है. Okay. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So एक बार फिर करके दिखाना है क्या? How to change the user ID, or next we will continue for the next. Did all students get that concept?
Yes, sir. एकदा परत दाखवा ना.
Okay, no issue. Let's do that one more time. See, first of all, I will discuss about the syntax. I will change. Here I am using a sudo privileges, and here we have command to change the user related information. Now I want to change only user ID, so I will use -u. If you want to change group ID, then -g. If you want to change the command name, then -c, like that, first letter. Now I want to change user ID only. After that, UID, new underscore UID, and after that, user underscore name. So this one is a syntax to change the user ID. Okay, let's do that. Here now Swapnil, now as a user I have applied, and after that we will use 1050. Okay, so for that, पहले स्वप्निल नाम का जो यूजर है उसका यूजर आईडी देखते हैं. तो here is a user ID 1010. So इसको हमें क्या करना है? 1050 करना है. क्या करना है? 1050. Let's do that. Sudo user mod -u 1050 of Swapnil. So ये syntax है, ये follow करना है. This one is your syntax, this one is your command. Okay. Enter. Check out by using a tail command. Change UI again. Check. Earlier it was 1010. Now it is a 1050. Change UI again. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So clear, Gaikwad.
Yes, sir.
Now we successfully changed the username. Now we'll discuss about the group name. I will change the group ID. Okay. So see, here is a group ID 101002. Now we need to change. अभी ये difference है, make a note of that. We can use any number for username. Username के लिए, user ID के लिए we can change any number, but for group ID we cannot do that. Group ID के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? If we have existing groups, okay, so among that groups only we can able to change. That means if we are trying to change 1002 to 4 times 1, then we cannot able to change because 4 times 1 group is not available. So before that, just use tell and check out group related information. Tell /etc/passwd. How many groups? Sorry, how many groups we have? Let's check out. See, these are the bunch of groups are available. SYCSC, Swapnil, these 2 groups are available. Yama locate system D. These are the system related groups. Okay. So that means we have only SYCAC and Swapnil. That means we have 1001 and 1002. These groups, two groups are available. Okay. So before doing the practical, let's add some three groups. Okay. Sudo add group testing. With the sales department. Now we'll check that tell command. See, we have a bunch of groups. We have 5 groups. So we'll check last 5 lines only. We'll get the better idea. See, these are the groups. This one is a group name. This one is a password mask. And this one is your group ID. Okay. SYCAC user have group ID as a 1001. Swapnil has a group ID as a 1002. Testing has a group ID as 1003. And market and sales. These are the groups are available. Okay. So now, what is the task? We need to change the group ID. Make a note of that when we trying to change the group ID, this group ID must be present in the /etc/group folder. उसके अंदर ये प्रेजेंट रहना चाहिए तो ही हम चेंज कर सकते हैं. So what will be the syntax? I will give you a demo also. Sudo usermod -g. Earlier it was u because we need to change the user ID, but now I want to change the group ID, so I will use -g. So -g, and after that number. So here I will use 1005. ओके, सेल्स का जो 1005 है ये हमें SYCAC और वी कैन से दैट स्वप्निल को देना. यूजर एज अ स्वप्निल कमांड. ओके, न्यू group ID user. This is the command. Okay, to change the group ID. So let's do that. Sudo usermod -g. New group ID is 1005. For that, we'll just 1 minute. Last user का group ID check करते हैं. The last user group ID is 1002. Last user group ID is 1002 and we need to change as 1005. कितना change करना है? 1005. So let's do that. Sudo usermod -g 1005 to use the Swapnil. Check out. See, earlier it was 1002. Now it was 1005. We have successfully changed the username. हमने सक्सेसफुली यूजरनेम को चेंज कर दिया है.
ग्रुप आईडी को चेंज किया.
Yeah, successfully change the group ID. Okay, so now let's do one more time. मार्केट का जो ग्रुप आईडी है 1004. Okay, we need to change instead of 1005. Let's do that. Sudo usermod -g 1004 of user Swapnil. Check out. See, earlier it was 1005. Now it was 1004. We have successfully changed the group ID. Now we are trying to change a different UID, group ID. Okay. So जैसे हम यूजर के लिए 4 times 1 ले रहे थे ना, वैसे चेक करके देखेंगे. See, sudo usermod -g ID is 4 times 1. अभी 4 times 1 अवेलेबल है क्या आपके ग्रुप के अंदर? ETC ग्रुप के अंदर नहीं है. 4 times 1 अवेलेबल है क्या? पूरे आप नंबर्स चेक कर सकते हो. If it is not available, then that command is not executing. Okay, that command will not execute it. Okay, so make a note of that. And I have to check for the Swapnil. See, user mod group 4 times 1 does not exist. So that means those groups are exist. We can able to change. अगर यूजर में ग्रुप एग्जिस्ट नहीं है तो वी कैन नॉट एबल टू चेंज दैट. ओके, so does anyone have query regarding user id and group id command? See, you need to do the practice, you need to revise this session repeatedly so you will get idea. Right now, just do the practice. Did you get the concept of user ID and group ID? Or shall I revise one more time? Anyone? Is there any need to revise?
No,
No, sir.
No, sir.
Let's do that. Another operation. Now we successfully change user ID, successfully change group ID. Now we need to change the command name. Okay. So स्वप्निल यूजर का कमेंट नेम चेक करना है तो आपको यहाँ लॉगिन में आना पड़ेगा. Just we'll close the terminal. We'll lock the system. Here is the option lock. See now. Now see, we have these three users. Okay, Arvind is there, SYC is there, and Swapnil. We have only these three users. Okay, so what is the command name of Swapnil? Username is a Swapnil and command name is also Swapnil. By default जो होता है ना वही command name होता है आपका. Here SYCAC is username and command name is also SYCAC. Okay, now we are trying to change the command name. Instead of that Swapnil, I want to show some another name. So that name is called as a display name or command name. Okay, let's do that. So right now here is a Swapnil. Now we'll check about that. My terminal. What is the syntax to change the command name? See, sudo user mod with that -c for command name. Okay. यहाँ name देना है, pass करना है, after that user. Yes.
Sir, screen pause झाली आहे.
Screen.
Pause.
One minute. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Just I will revise one more time. See, sudo user mod -c for command name. Okay. Here use name, whatever you want to display. And after that here we need to use username. Which user we need to change the command name. So this one is the syntax. Let's do that. l-n1/etc/passwd. We have a user called as a Swapnil. Okay, in that by default name is a Swapnil. Okay, now we need to change these 3 commas. यहाँ change करना है. Okay, so let's do that. Sudo user mod -c and here I want to use PESCOE. My command name is a PESCOE and which user? Swapnil. Okay, click that. See, we successfully changed the Swapnil command name. Let's check out. See, earlier we get 3 commas. Now we get the command name as a PSCOE. अब ये login करते समय when we trying to login into the system, we get that display name as a PSCOE. यहाँ से login नहीं करना है, system से login. Okay, when we login into the first time, so at that time instead of Swapnil, it will display PSU. Let's check out of the system. Take on multiple accounts. See, earlier it was showing Swapnil. Okay, a command name as a Swapnil. Now it's showing a command name as a PSU. Why it's showing command name as a PSU? Because हमने उसे change किया था. इसकी वजह से ये command name आप क्या दिखा रहा है? PSU. So hope so you will get the concept. We'll do one more time for SYCAC. Sudo. Before that, last two commands. See, SYCAC is username and his command name is by default. So let's do that. We'll check. Sudo so user mod -c. Now here I will use a display name as Ravi. Username is SYCAC. Then I'll check about last user. See, now it is showing Ravi as my command name for SYCAC. So let's log the system. Check out whether the successfully we change the command. Check out SYCAC instead of SYCAC, it's showing the Ravi. We successfully changed the command. Likewise, we can do that. Problem होता है, we get the problem. Okay, so इसमें क्या problem है? If we provide a single name, okay, without the first and last name, so for example, single name कैसे एक continuous name है and multiple name कैसे, for example, like that this. So I want to provide the command name as this. So in that case, it will generate an error. कैसा होगा कि ये it will take only first letter, it will not take last letter. Let's do the practical. इससे आपको आइडिया समझ में आएगा. Sudo user mod -c and here I will use my name for the user SYCAC. SYCAC. See, we get that error. So here we'll check for Swapnil. Also we get that error. What is the reason now behind that? Because see, what will be this index indicates first we need to use command, after that option, after that we need to use a display name. But in Linux, that empty space will be treated as end of line. That empty space will be treated as end of line. So इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि it will treat username as first Arvind and command name as Arvind and account name as Zadav. Okay, so because of this empty space, so ऐसे avoid करने के लिए do one thing, just अगर ऐसे multiple name है तो that must be included within double quote. That means it will treat as this single system. इसे ट्रीट करेगा सिंगल सिस्टम के लिए और सिंगल ऑप्शन के लिए. Okay, it will be treated as single option. Now check out for Swapnil. Done. Now we'll check last line l-n1/etc/. See, we'll get the command name as Arvind Zadav. Make a note of that. If you want to pass multiple strings, okay, multiple names, so double names, multiple names, then we need to include that name within double quote open and double quote close. Let's do that. यहाँ log system पे जाके एक बार check करते हैं. Earlier it was PSCOE, now it's showing my name. See, showing Arvind Jadhav. Is it okay? So like that we can do the practical. We did the practical of user ID, group ID and comment name. Now we'll discuss about the directory. यहाँ तक कुछ क्यूरी है किसी को?
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, please. What is your query? What is your query? Who's this?
सर ते युजर नेम आणि कमेंट कस काय सेम असू शकतं?
नहीं समझना. What is your question?
सर युजर नेम आहे ना, आज समजा अरविंद आहे ना युजर नेम.
Yeah, just 1 minute. See.
हा सर, स्वप्नील युजर नेम आहे ना,
Yeah.
तर कमेंट जर चेंज केली, आता तुम्ही चेंज केली अरविंद जाधव म्हणून,
बरोबर आहे.
ती चेंज झाल्यावर म्हणजे युजर नेम परत तेच कसं होऊ शकतं?
See.
अरविंद जाधव.
Username is Swapnil only. It is a only comment name, display name. Okay. जसं आपण एखादा प्रोडक्ट परचेस करतो ना, फॉर एक्झाम्पल आय वॉन्ट टू परचेस अ बाईक. वी ऑल नो दॅट द रोल ऑफ बाईक काय असतो, काय रोल असतो. सो इफ यू वॉन्ट टू मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस, और कुठे एका गावाकडून दुसऱ्या गावाकडे जाण्यासाठी वी विल यूज बाईक. सेम थिंग. ओके. आता बाईकचे ब्रँड्स वेगळे आहेत. फॉर एक्झाम्पल वी हॅव टीव्हीएस, वी हॅव हिरो, वी हॅव होंडा, वी हॅव हिरो होंडा, लाईक दॅट. ओके. सो मेक अ नोट ऑफ दॅट की display name is used to display the user name only. Okay, user information only. Actual, when we create the user, at that time username is a default. We cannot, that's why I already said that we cannot able to change these first two field. Once the user is created, we cannot able to change. Okay. When I trying to log in into the system, my username is a Swapnil. See, here I will log in into the system, sudo sudo hyphen Swapnil. So मैं लॉग इन हो गया स्वप्निल के अंदर. मैं अरविंद जादव नेम से लॉग इन नहीं हुआ हूँ. इट इज जस्ट अ कमेंट नेम, डिस्प्ले नेम, which will display your account name. That's it. जैसे होता है कभी कभी डिफरेंट यूजर्स के अकाउंट नेम डिफरेंट होते हैं या दिखाना पड़ता है, लाइक दैट स्टफ. सो इस कमेंट नेम का कुछ भी मीनिंग नहीं है. ये कमेंट नेम ओनली यूज टू डिस्प्ले द नेम. दैट्स इट. Actual, if you want to perform any operation, in that case we need to use a username as a Swapnil. For example, I want to change user ID. Here I am using username as a Swapnil. If you want to change the group ID, here I am using username as a Swapnil. If you want to change the home directory, here I am using Swapnil as a username. I am not using Arvind Jadhav as a username. It is a just command name. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
We cannot able to make a note of that. We cannot able to perform any operation by using command name. कभी भी हम command name से operation perform नहीं कर सकते. एक याद रखो, command name is just a helping text. We can say that it is used to display some message, or it is used to display some name only. That's it. Okay. So see, instead of that Arvind Jadhav, I want to use another name. Here I will use XYZ. Can I able to do that? Yes, you can able to do that. So earlier it was Arvind Jadhav, now it is XYZ. It is a display name. Make a note of that. ये actually किसके लिए होता है कि something information hide करने के लिए, कि सामने वाले को दिखना नहीं चाहिए कि आपका यूजर नेम क्या है, या like that. यूजर नेम एंड डिस्प्ले नेम डिफरेंट होने चाहिए. ओके. ये हैकिंग और इथिकल हैकिंग के लिए मैक्सिमम जगह यूज किया जाता है. Just make a note of that. We cannot able to perform any operation on comment name. Just it is used for display name. That's it. Get that information. Okay. Now next thing is a directory. Now I want to change the directory. So what is the current directory? Home/Swapnil. I want to change this directory. Home/Swapnil. Okay. By default, we all know that whenever user is created, at that time home directory is also created. मैंने बताया था user add करते समय आपको. So similarly, for some reason, I want to change my home directory. What is the current location of directory? /home. cd change directory /home. और ls करके देखेंगे यहाँ जितने भी यूजर्स हमने बनाए थे उनकी डायरेक्टरीज क्रिएट हुई है. See, we have created Arvind, Ravi, Sachin, Swapnil, SYCSC, TP. So here is a directory as a Swapnil. Now here I will create one directory mkdir to create the directory, and here I will use pscui as a directory name. Permission denied. What should we need to use? Sudo. Check out ls. So here we get the pscui successfully. Now अब क्या करना है हमें कि actual जो directory है किसकी 1 minute Swapnil user की. We have a user Swapnil and the home directory was home.swapnil. अभी इसे change करके हमें क्या करना है home/pscui करना है. That means we need to change the directory. ये ऑपरेशन रिपीटेड परफॉर्म करने के नहीं होते बट ये आपको आना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि कंपनी में वर्क स्पेस कंप्लीट हुआ है या अनदर वर्क डायरेक्टरी असाइन करनी है तो इन दैट केस आपको आना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई ये मैं आपको स्टेप्स बनाता हूँ बता रहा हूँ. ये रिपीटेड टास्क नहीं है. सो लेट्स डू दैट. sudo usermod -d for directory, -u for username, g for group id, u for user id, g for group id, c for command name and d for directory. Okay, directory कौन सा देना है? new directory username. So this one is a syntax, simple. Sudo usermod -d new dir and username. So let's check out sudo usermod -d /home/pscui or username Swapnil. Executed. Now we'll check about that. L command, this one. So see, earlier home Swapnil was there, now home pscui was there. So by using this way we can able to change the directory. Okay, so one TP directory is also available in home. Let's check out cd/home and ls करके देखो. Here we have a directory called as a TP. अभी इसको असाइन करके देखते हैं. Sudo earlier directory was home/pscui. Now we need to change home/tp. Sudo usermod d for directory /home/tp. Usermod -d/home/tp, and after that here we will provide the username as a Swapnil. Check out. See, we successfully changed the directory. Okay, so it is very quite easy. Just we need to do the practice. So इससे आपको पता चल जाएगा कि क्या होगा. Okay, so that means now the directory changed. अभी इसका meaning क्या होता है? So when we log in into the Swapnil, all the information will be stored in a TP. अब स्वप्निल के अंदर हम लॉग इन करके कुछ ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करते हैं तो उसकी पूरे फाइल्स ये टीपी के अंदर स्टोर हो जाएंगे. ओके, होम डायरेक्टरी क्यों यूज की जाती है? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ होम डायरेक्टरी? सो इट इज यूज्ड टू परफॉर्म द टास्क. ओके, जो भी फाइल्स क्रिएट करना है, जो भी डायरेक्टरी क्रिएट करना है, कॉपी करना है, लाइक दैट स्टफ, दैट ऑल इंफॉर्मेशन विल बी स्टोर्ड इन द न्यू डायरेक्टरी. ओके, and last one is a bin bash. Here we get the information as a bin bash. So bin bash means what? we can log in into the system. Make a note of that. अगर किसी यूजर के आगे bin bash दिखाई देता है तो हम लॉग इन कर सकते हैं. Let's check out. Can I able to log in into the Swapnil? Sudo su hyphen Swapnil. We successfully log in into the Swapnil user. हमने स्वप्निल यूजर के अंदर सक्सेसफुली लॉग इन कर लिया है. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स बिन बैश की वजह से लॉग इन कर सकते हैं. नाउ हमें क्या करना है, अभी उसे नो लॉग इन शेल देना है. दैट मीन्स इस यूजर के अंदर लॉग इन करने नहीं देना है. ओके, इन अदर यूजर को इसके अंदर लॉग इन नहीं करने देना है. लेट्स डू दैट. फॉर दैट we need to use the syntax sudo. Okay, after that user mod command, after that hyphen es for shell. यहाँ लिखना है आपको yes bin slash no login, and after that the name of user. This one is the syntax. Let's do that practical. So done. Now check out the last command. So earlier यहाँ bin bash दिखाई दे रहा था, अभी yes bin no login. Okay, that means we cannot able to log in into the Swapnil. Let's check out sudo su sycs. 1 minute has been no login. हाँ, अभी ये अर्लियर 2 वर्जन्स में डिफरेंस है, 16 में और 20 में. जस्ट 1 minute. पॉज भी यूज किया जाता है. Just 1 second. See, here I am not able to log in into the system. SYCSE is not the sudo file. This incident will be reported. Abhi depending on the operating system, when we're trying to perform this operation on Ubuntu 16, we will get the error. We cannot able to log in into the system. Okay, but in 20 some bugs are available, so that's why ऐसा मैसेज आता है. Okay, so let's do that. यहाँ भी मैं लॉगिन नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. sudo su hyphen sy नहीं चाहिए था. Just so that see, I'm not able to log in into the Swapnil. अभी फिर से मैं क्या करता हूँ, बाहर जाके शेल चेंज करके फिर से लॉगिन करके की कोशिश करता हूँ. Here we need to change the shell as has been not bin bash bin slash bash of user is a Swapnil. Check out. Here we successfully changed that cell. Yes, we successfully changed the cell. Now we'll log in into the sudo sycse को यूजर से हम लॉग इन करके देखेंगे. So right now we are in sycse. Now we're trying to log in into the Swapnil. Sudo su नहीं हो रहा यार क्या. It bin bash sudo su. Yeah, we log in into the Swapnil. Change the password. It's been in false. See, has been false लिखने के बाद failed to execute SBN false. No such a file or directory. Okay, so that means we cannot able to log in into the system. Okay, because see tel slash etc slash passwd last one line. Last one line. यहाँ क्या है? Has been false. Have two options available. We have two options. Okay. Slash has been slash no login. Majorly used in a version 16. Okay, Ubuntu 16 में use किया जाता है. Slash false. ये version 20 में. का version. इसलिए problem आ रहा था. See, right now has been false is there. Has been false, that means any other user cannot able to log in into the Swapnil. Okay, let's do that. एक बार फिर से हम क्या उसे bin bash कर देते हैं. लॉगिन की परमिशन देते हैं bin slash bash and Swapnil. Now check out. अभी यहाँ has been false था. Right now we have bin bash. Okay, now we'll try to log in into the system. Sudo su hyphen name of user is Swapnil. Okay. We successfully log in into the system. We successful login करके दिखाया यहाँ. क्यों? Because यहाँ bin bash था. Okay. Now we'll do one more time for user sycse. Okay. First of all, we'll check the tel command. Tel hyphen n2 slash etc slash passwd. So here we have user sycse and the login shell is a bin bash. That means any other user can log in into the system. So let's do that. Sudo su hyphen sycse. Check out And who am I? Specify your username. SYCSC. Your username is a SYCSC. Done. Now let's check the shell. अभी यहाँ bin bash दिखाई दे रहा है. Instead of that, has been false कर देते हैं. Sudo user mod shell yes slash has been false slash name of user is SYCS. Done. Now try to log in into the system. एक बार check कर लो. अभी ये bin bash था. अभी ये yes bin false है. Okay. Earlier it was bin bash. यहाँ देखो. Earlier it was bin bash and now it is a yes bin false. Now we're trying to log in the system. Sudo svu -sycs. So we get the error. Failed to execute SBI false. No such a file or directory because उसके लिए permission available नहीं है. So ये scenario कहाँ use किया जाता है for a company. Assume that you have a company and in that company आपका job left होता है या आपको growth मिलती है तो आप new job search करते हो. ये new job को work position पे आपको काम करना आता है तो older company आपको when close करना पड़ता है. At that time आपका जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर होता है तो आपका जब लास्ट दिन होता है तब तक आपको एक्सेस मिलता है. जैसे भी आपका वर्किंग आवर्स खत्म हो जाता है या लास्ट डे खत्म होता है उस कंपनी का एट दैट टाइम क्या होता है कि पर्टिकुलर यूजर को लॉक किया जाता है. या एनी अदर केसेस में भी बहुत जगह यूज किया जाता है कि पर्टिकुलर यूजर को एक्सेस करने नहीं देना है डायरेक्टली. इन दैट केस आल्सो ये मेथड यूज किया जाता है. सो दिस इज द ओवरऑल अबाउट यूजर मॉड कमांड. How to change user ID. In that I learn about how to change group ID. Then also we learn about how to change command name. That we also discuss about directory, how to change directory, home directory. After that we discuss about the shell. Okay, login shell. These are the 5 most number. So make a note of that. Yeah, practice karo today. And after that, when you do the practice, so you will get the better idea. एस्टरडे को जो मैंने फाइल भेजा था उसके अंदर ही आपको नोट्स मिल जाएंगे बॉटम में यूजर मोड कमांड के. तो वो प्रैक्टिकल परफॉर्म करो. एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी लेट मी नो. आई विल रिजॉल्व दैट इशू. लेट्स डू द अटेंडेंस. Okay, roll numbers. Attendance दो.
7.
Sir,
Speak
5.
loudly.
Sir, 5.
5. Bhagyashree.
Yes, sir.
And next,
रोल नंबर 2.
roll number.
2.
1 minute.
7.
रोल नंबर 2 नाही आहे ना माझ्याकडे.
सर शिवानी पागडे रोल नंबर 2.
एक मिनिट, तुझा रोल नंबर 2 होता का शिवानी? Done. Next,
सर रोल नंबर 7.
roll number 4. Purva.
7.
Or 7.
7 सर.
हाँ?
7.
Prata. Okay. Next.
नम्रता. यस. रोल नंबर 10.
Pranaya. Next.
यस सर.
रोल नंबर 13.
शिवानी. Next.
सर 30.
13 केलं ना शिवानी. शिवानी रणवीर. अटेंडन्स टाकली तुमची. नेक्स्ट.
सर रोल नंबर 21.
स्वप्नील. नेक्स्ट.
25.
वेदांत. नेक्स्ट.
23, sir.
Number 35, sir.
5.
Sir, roll number 20.
20 Zoya. Next.
Yes, sir.
Sir, roll number
23,
24.
23 Girish.
24, sir. Yes, sir.
24 Prajwal. Next.
38.
Next.
Sir, 40.
40 Siddhant. Next.
59, sir.
अनिल साळवे आहे का?
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट कोण बाकी अटेंडन्स झाले का? हा?
9. Amol Rathod.
अमोल तुझी रेग्युलरची अटेंडन्स नाहीये तर आपली ईडब्ल्यू सुरू होईल तेव्हा अटेंडन्स कन्सिडर होईल. ओके, तू फक्त रेग्युलरली अटेंड कर, तुला असेल रिवाइज करायचं.
मी हर्ष.
यश इज देअर.
हर्ष एसवायचा आहे सर. मी राहिलो होतं माझं.
कोण आहे? अटेंडन्स बाकी आहे
सर 37.
37. काय नाव आहे तुझं?
हर्षवर्धन.
आवाज येत नाहीये.
हर्षवर्धन.
हॅलो,
तो
काय नाव आहे म्हटलं?
हर्षवर्धन.
मला एक मेसेज कर ना तुझ्या नावाचं.
हर्षवर्धन.
हर्षवर्धन. ला तर हर्षवर्धन नाहीये, राज खरात म्हणून आहे.
एसवाय सर. डीएसआय.
ESY.
एसवायचा आहे. डीएसवायचा नाही. डायरेक्ट सेकंड इयर नाही आहे. एसवायचा आहे रेग्युलर.
रेग्युलर आहेस का? नंबर सांग.
37.
मोबाईल नंबर.
मोबाईल नंबर का? 9960.
हा,
6883.
9960.
716883.
तो फर्स्ट लेक्चर आहे का आज?
नाही सर, करतोय दररोज.
अटेंडन्स देत नाहीस का? ठीक आहे, टाकले तुझे अटेंडन्स. कुणी राहिले का रिमेनिंग? आपण सेशन क्लोज करूया.